Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you'll find it cool and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe this channel right now for getting my more tutorials, and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing these turbans and Arabic shima, you guys can contact to my own brand ADeal. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful AMAMAH Sharif like Saad Rizvi. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful AMAMAH Sharif.
وميض الحب ألبسني حنينا لم يغب عني لأن دائما
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, and do not forget to share this video on your social accounts. Allah Hafiz till my next video, and I'm just waiting for you guys on my Instagram.